AI is transforming the way we work. That's why TPS software is harnessing its power to simplify your day-to-day, bringing you more efficiency and total peace of mind. Let me head over to our email area and I'll show you the ways you can already use AI in TPS Cloud Access. First, you can use it to summarize an email thread. For example, here you can see I've been going back and forth with this client through email for a while. I'd like a quick summary of what's been said in this thread. To do that, I simply click here where it says Summarize Thread with the little AI symbol next to it. Now you'll only see this option when you're in an actual email thread. If you're here looking at one email, the option isn't available. But let me show you what happens when you click on Summarize Thread. First, you'll see that it's analyzing, and this might take a moment, but then you'll get a smart summary up at the top of your screen. And if you click Read More, you'll even get a bullet list of the key points. Our second way of using AI is to help with email responses. Maybe you have a general idea of what you want to say, but you've always gotten straight to the point, and maybe you're not the best at sending nice, professional emails. Or maybe your coffee hasn't kicked in and you simply need some help with your wording. That's where the AI assistant can help. Let's say I want to respond to this email, and basically I want to say how much I appreciated our phone call, and I want the client to know I'm excited to start on the project next week. I can type that out, or if I just want to speak it into existence, I can hold down my Windows key and the H key and then speak what I want to say. I want to say how much I appreciated our phone call and let you know I'm excited to start on the project next week. Then you click on the AI option to help me write, and let's just say I want to make it sound more professional and appreciative. Again, I can write that in, or I can hit the Windows and H key and speak it into existence. Next, you'll want to click on Improve Draft. And that, I would say, is a much more personal and professional response. And then I can accept it or regenerate if I want to try again. Then you just fire off that email to your client. I just showed you how we've introduced AI to communication in TPS, but how else can AI be used in an accounting firm? Through the use of an MCP, which allows two programs to talk to each other, you'll be able to use a program like Claude and its connectors to share a link to your data so it can assist you in digging up information or questions you have about your clients, staff, or even work you do. You can see on my screen that we're asking Claude some pretty basic questions about our data. But that's what's really cool about this. It's not searching random websites to generate answers, and it's not just hopping onto Google. It's only reading your data and spitting out the info you requested. You can ask it some very unique and unusual questions. Imagine trying to find the right report to show you all your clients who've been with you for over 5 years, who you've also billed $10,000 or over per year, and who are profitable. Yes, you could do it with our report section, but it would require you to find the right report, tweak the filters, and really put some thought and effort into retrieving the correct info. While programs like Claude linked to your database in TPS can do it in a ridiculously short amount of time. This is just a glimpse of where this is all going. Keep tuned all through the year and you'll hear more and more about what TPS is doing with AI. We'll be evolving with it as we continue to roll out new ways TPS software and AI can link up to be useful to your firm. We're definitely headed into the future, and we're glad you've chosen to take these steps with us.